I've been talking about this one last time. So if you look at the title, where are you looking at? So what I do is to help you and other people move to the right upper side of the kind of chart, which means that the people who is looking at the future and the world, not only yourself. Of course, yourself is part of the world, so it doesn't mean that you don't think about yourself. You are the most important thing for you. But once that is satisfied, then you are able to kind of grow your interest to other area. The people who is looking at the future and also looking at the broader world will be able to live a happy life, beautiful life, and also can contribute to many people, which eventually comes back to you and make your life satisfactory. And in order to do that, I use some tools like a feed forward, looking at the future, feed forward, and on the upper side you see the levels of abstraction, which I was not able to cover because that is important, but it requires time. So not this time, next time. And on the right upper side, out of the comfort zone, which means that let's have a higher goal, which connects with the code, right? Okay, and this is going to be the really last one. It sounds like a little bit about kind of promoting, but it's not like that. So because you have a right to see what I've spoken in the past 3-4 months. And so there are Gold Vision video content on Let's Clubhouse, which is a new one, which Italy has worked on hard to publish. And also there's a page for that. And also advanced workshop, we are kind of planning to hold that in October. And so we have summer and interval in September, and then we start. And that's going to be, of course, starting from the newcomer will be here. So we're talking about the basic thing as well, but stepping into the kind of advanced thing. It's going to be 3 weeks or 4 weeks kind of scheduled kind of like a school, probably a night school, maybe not decided yet, but something like that. Okay, so thank you very much for your active participation, and that is the end of workshop. Thank you very much. I really enjoyed, although we are remotely doing this, but I am also very happy that we had a chance to do this.